Welcome to Green Circle. Discover a revolutionary coffee cup return scheme solution. This amazing commercial quality coffee vending machine will wash, disinfect, and reuse its cups up to 200 times. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Select your favorite coffee with flavors adjusted on request. Conveniently pay for your coffee with cash, a bank card, or a mobile payment app. The world's first reusable vending machine coffee cup. Printing is applied inside the label. Your choice of polypropylene or polyethylene cups. Like new, protecting any loss of appearance. Enjoy your favorite coffee. Recycle your Green Circle coffee cup in one of our authorized machines. Select a cash deposit or a voucher. Receive a cash deposit or a voucher. Your voucher is printed for your next fresh brew. Revolutionary disinfection and cleaning process. Advanced water temperature sterilization procedures. Cup drying process uses hot air. Medical grade UV sterilization kills 99.9% of germs. Fully automated cup sorting process. Over 200 uses without losing any appearance. Post-consumer recycle process. Coffee cup recycling granulation process. Coffee cup injection molding process. 100% reusable coffee cup. Contact us today for your free sample.